Hi guys, today I have a very special episode for you all. Now, Independence is coming up this month. It's going to be the 31st of August. And in honor of our independence celebrations, I wanted to do something special for you all. So, Trinidad is known as the land of the hummingbird. So today I'm going to be making for you all a hummingbird cake. Now there are many variations to this recipe, but today I'm sharing with you all my recipe. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Let me know down below if you like it. Remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share this recipe with your friends. Thank you all so much and stay tuned as I show you guys how to make this recipe. Now I already have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So here I have my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour and I sifted the flour. So to the flour, I'm going to go in with my sugar, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, some baking soda, and I'm going to give that a mix to incorporate. Okay, once you have mixed in your dry ingredients, just set that aside. Now to your mixing bowl, I'm using my KitchenAid to help me, but you don't need a KitchenAid to do this. You can use a very big bowl and mix everything in. So to my mixing bowl, I'm going to go in with my eggs. I'm using 3 large eggs, or you can use 4 small. I'm going in with some melted butter. And some vegetable oil or canola oil. Any light flavored oil would work. Next goes in some vanilla or mixed essence. Okay, once you've put in the liquid, you're going to go in with your fruits. So now I'm going to go in with a cup of grated apple. And you can use any color apple you want if you want to use. I'm using the Granny Smith. You can use a red or a gala apple if you like. I'm going in with some crushed pineapple. And I'm using the juice of the pineapple also, because we need that liquid in there to help keep this cake moist. And I have some chopped bananas. I'm also going to go in with some finely chopped pecans, or you can use walnuts, or you can use any type of your favorite nut. Next, give this a mix to incorporate those ingredients. Okay, once mixed in, we're going to add our dry ingredients a little at a time until it's incorporated. Once it starts to come together, stop and add another quarter. You don't want to overmix the batter. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the last set of dry ingredients. And just give that a mix. Remember, don't overmix. Once it comes together, you're going to stop it. And that's it. Now we have to pour this out into our cake pans. Okay, next you have to grease and flour your cake pans. Next you want to divide your cake batter evenly into 2 cake pans. This cake reminds me of a carrot cake, just without the carrots. It's a really delicious fruity cake with the bananas and the apple and the pineapple in there. So once you've put your batter evenly into 2 cake pans, these go into your oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes until when you put a skewer or a toothpick through it, it comes out clean. So I'm gonna place these in my oven and I'll see you guys when it's cooled. Now these cakes have cooled down, and what I'm going to do is just using my serrated knife, just level off the top of the cake. Now if you didn't want to do this, and you can ice it as is, but it may slide off, so hence the reason why I'm just trimming the top off ever so slightly. Now what I'm going to do is take my cookie cutter and I'm going to go in and cut out. So I'm just gonna finish cutting out my circles and I'll see you guys right back. So guys, once you cut out your cake rounds, you're gonna set that aside and then we're gonna make a cream cheese frosting to go on this cake. In my mixing bowl, I have 1 block of cream cheese. To that, I'm going to add in a few drops of almond essence, or you can use vanilla. I'm going in with some softened, unsalted butter. And I'm going in with my powdered or icing sugar or confectioner's sugar. And all we're going to do next is whip this up. Okay, next you're going to take your cream cheese frosting and you're going to frost the cakes. Now this is going to be more of a rustic looking cake. It's not going to be nice and smooth. And so once you've put your cream cheese frosting, you can go ahead and decorate it with some chopped pecans. Or whatever. So guys, this is a very rustic looking cake. It's so easy to make. You don't have to be a perfect baker to make this. I hope you all play around with the recipe, make it your own, try different versions of it. You can layer the cake with cream cheese frosting on the inside, and you can make it like this, or you can even make it like cupcakes. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching and I hope you subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a happy independence and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!